Damn, I didn't even get to vlog it, man. Rating?
That place always good. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
I like the pricing and all that shit.
8.5.
Hey, if your Shell gas station ladies like this.
Bombo clad.
Bomba clock.
Papacito.
I see. Yeah, I know what video you're talking about with that one.
And we back at the crib. My man's going to work. That's what we doing. Tell the peeps.
We're cutting the fenders.
Mm.
And yeah, it's gonna be great.
This guy. Is this an actual functional hood scoop? Wow. Wait, what's up?
Oh, it's a magnet?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Where the fuck did you get that?
I pull it from the side of your toolbox.
This motherfucker.
We're installing sport grill on the WRX.
Rice grill.
Rice grill.
Ready to eat some rice.
Take a video of the stock one.
Before?
It's before.
After. No, I'm not gonna do that shit. That's fucking gay. Update. We got the bumper off. We're gonna be replacing this part. I'm proud of Doss. Doss getting down and dirty. He a real man now. He a real car guy now.
Hey, we're putting this back
I wonder
in.
how that looked like when I edited it.
We're putting this back in. It needs to be pushed out like that first, right?
I believe so.
Jesus Christ!
Where's the other light? Huh? Where's the other light? Where? No. Where's the other light? Did I leave it? Anyways, here's the update for Dawson's front bumper. You know what? It does look clean. I like it. And then now we're doing the third brake light. I don't even think I've vlogged the part, but we did the
Third brake light.
third brake light on the bottom.
Adds 2 horsepower. Adds 2
Show the people.
Right.
Show the people, man.
I'll turn it on so we can show the reverse too.
All right, bet.
Actually, Andy, do it because I didn't see the fucking reverse yet.
You want me to turn it
You don't need to turn it on. You can just fucking no. You don't need to turn it on. Just put it in accessory mode. So there's a light. Put it in reverse.
It won't. You need to turn it on.
Is there a first
No,
one
put it on accessory, bro. Like hit it twice.
I did.
Is the lights on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now hit the brake. Now put it in reverse. It's all the way. There you go. That's pretty nice, actually. Nice.
Come on now.
Put it back. Put it back in neutral.
I'll learn from the best.
And then put it. Hit the brakes again. Hit the brakes again. Oh, because you're in neutral. That's why. No, but that's good.
What?
No, because you're not moving.
Gotcha.
But it was flashing. That's what's up.
Nice. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Mmm.
Appreciate my boys helping me out, you know?
Proud of my boy, right? He was getting down and dirty.
Appreciate it. Yeah. Look at it. Look
He
at
a
it.
real man now. Man. And he was just sitting around doing nothing, man.
Fuck yeah.
We didn't need his strength. No, we didn't need his strength.
Funny as hell. But yeah, no, it looks good, dude.
Thank you.
I like it. I like
Learn
it.
from the best, man. Look at that.
Yes, sir. Sheesh. The all-wheel drive boys of Tomodiv. Yeah. Mm.
Feel fast. Speed.
I actually really like how that, because usually sometimes the lights don't match the OEM, but for this one matches it. That's nice.
I need a custom license plate.
All right, Doss, close the vid out.
All right. Hope you all enjoy. You know, if anybody watching who have a VB WRX, there's gonna be more content to come. You know, installs
Facts.
and shit.
Dude, yeah, facts. Literally, like this coming year or next year.
It's gonna be the cleanest VB in the Midwest.
Mm.
All
That's a
right.
pretty big claim.
Peace out.